All right, good afternoon, team. I'm here to show you our product, Ezras fruit juice. All right, to begin, on slide 2, we're going to get into our agenda. We're going to discuss the retail packaging, the digital printing of our retail packaging, what I chose, and secondary packaging. So what our package, what our end product is going to be packaged in order to get to our distributors. Flexographic printing, the printing I chose for our secondary package. Overall environmental concerns with our packaging, and then also some specs about manufacturing in California. All right, our product is a non-alcoholic beverage for both adults and children with several different combinations of fruit juices. We wanted to market to a wide variety of people, so that's why we are marketing to both adults and children. Fun packaging to catch the customer's eye. Our product is manufactured in California, like I said before. We will have 20 different distribution centers, and it is a higher-end juice product with nutrition as our focus. Our design. Our design is a big component of the packaging that we chose for our products. That's why I wanted to get into the design of it. Our product will have 3 different designs. It's going to be a gorilla, an elephant, and a tiger. The plastic label will be around their belly, designed as circus clothing with eye-catching colors and stripes. All right, on slide 5, our retail packaging. So our retail packaging, it'll be a plastic press molded into our desired shape with the 3 animal figures. So that is why we decided to go with plastic. So in order to press mold that shape, I can't do that with paper and glass. I chose against glass because it would just add to our shipping costs. The weight would go up. So I wanted to keep the weight as low as possible while still having a fun shape for our product. Plastic was chosen due to it being sturdy enough to hold up to transportation across the country. Being manufactured in California and distributing across the United States in those 20 distribution centers, I just want to make sure that we have a product that can stand up to that. Our desired shape adds to shelf appeal. We're competing against Ocean Spray, Welch's, and all these other more well-known brands, so I want to make sure that our product stands out against all of those on the shelf. And there's a better ability to keep the product in the bottle and unwanted substances out because of plastic. I chose digital printing because it has eye-popping colors, it's cost-effective in small runs, and it has a clear label displaying all the nutrition facts. Since we have a focus on nutrition, I really want to make sure that we can display that. Secondary packaging, the main focus is product safety. I want to make sure it can be safely transported across the country, prevent shifting. That's why I chose that separate cardboard insert to prevent the shifting across country. Cardboard is a paper product. It's very cost effective, has a greater ability to recycle. It can be easily baled and broken down once it gets to that retailer, and it's strong enough to hold the weight of the 24 bottles per box. I chose flexographic printing for our cardboard, our secondary package, because it works great with corrugated cardboard. It just kind of soaks into it, has fast drying, it's cost effective in large runs, so if we do get to that large scale, then it's going to be more and more cost effective, and it can still be aesthetically pleasing. It's just not as intricate as the digital printing, like I chose for our end product. Environmental concerns that I have. We really struggle to recycle plastics in the United States. Finding the buyers for recyclables is also very hard, and adding more and more waste to the carbon footprint. I also worry about this because California is so strict being on the West Coast, so I want to keep those in the back of my mind. Manufacturing in California is the #1 manufacturer output and business employment in the U.S. It offers tax exemptions and tax credits. And also, if I can use alternative energy sources like electronic transport or anything like that, we can get full sales tax and exclusion taxes for manufacturers since we're promoting that alternative energy and advanced transport in California. And why should you choose Ezras fruit juice? It has a nutritional focus. It's healthy for both adults and children. Has a fun packaging that's going to make you smile when you see it. Security of packaging, we make sure that you get a quality product, and sustainability. All of our packaging is recyclable. All right, and that's all I have. My references are there, and thanks for watching.